Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool for anyone looking to learn Portuguese. Let's explore how it can help you master Portuguese in no time. This application is designed to help users learn Portuguese effectively through interactive and engaging methods. It offers a variety of features, including vocabulary building exercises, grammar lessons, and listening practice. Users can enjoy a user-friendly interface that makes navigation easy and enjoyable. The app typically includes gamified elements such as quizzes and challenges to keep learners motivated and track their progress. Additionally, it often provides pronunciation guides and examples of real-life conversations, enabling users to practice speaking and improve their language skills in a practical context. Overall, it is a comprehensive resource for anyone looking to enhance their Portuguese language abilities on an Android device. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this overview of the app inspires you to start your journey in learning Portuguese. Happy learning!